If you are over 60 and find yourself waking up multiple times a night to urinate, I want you to know you are not alone, and this is not something you simply have to live with. This common issue, known as nocturia, doesn't just disrupt your sleep. It steals your energy, impacts your mood, and can diminish your quality of life during the day. But what if I told you there was a way to reclaim your nights? A way to train your body for deeper, more uninterrupted sleep without pills or invasive procedures. In this video, I am going to guide you through 5 simple, science-backed exercises you can do in the comfort of your own home. These movements are specifically designed for seniors to strengthen your body's natural bladder control and help you sleep through the night. Before we dive in, I would love to connect with our incredible community. Please, take a moment to comment below and tell me what city or state you're watching from. Knowing I'm speaking with someone in Vancouver or Chicago or Miami makes this so much more meaningful. And if this is a topic that matters to you, I encourage you to subscribe and hit the bell. My mission is to provide you with health information that truly empowers you. Let's begin the journey back to restful nights together. 1. Kegel exercises, rebuilding your pelvic foundation. Let's start with the absolute foundation of bladder control. I want you to think of your pelvic floor muscles as a sophisticated supportive hammock at the base of your torso. This network of muscles holds up your bladder and other pelvic organs. Just like any other muscle in your body, if it isn't exercised, it weakens over time. For many of us over 60, this gradual weakening is a primary reason why we can no longer hold urine as effectively through the night. The solution is an elegant and incredibly effective exercise called Kegels. Think of it as targeted strength training for the very muscles responsible for bladder control. Why it works scientifically. Kegel exercises directly target and strengthen the pubococcygeus (PC) muscle group. When these muscles are toned, they provide better support for the bladder neck, improving its ability to close securely and prevent leakage or the urgent sensation to urinate. For seniors, whose muscle tone naturally declines, regularly performing Kegels can significantly improve bladder capacity and control, leading to fewer nighttime awakenings. This is particularly relevant for individuals in the average North American senior weight range, as excess weight can put additional pressure on the pelvic floor. How to perform them correctly? This is key. Find the right muscles. The next time you are urinating, try to stop the flow of urine midstream. The muscles you use to do this are your pelvic floor muscles. This is for identification only. Do not make a habit of stopping your urine flow, as it can be counterproductive. The exercise. Sit comfortably in a chair, feet flat on the floor. Without tensing your stomach, thigh, or buttock muscles, squeeze those pelvic floor muscles you identified. Imagine you are lifting them upwards and inwards. The regimen. Hold the squeeze for a count of 5 seconds. Then, relax completely for a count of 5 seconds. It's crucial that the relaxation phase is as long as the contraction phase. Repetitions. Aim for a set of 10 repetitions 3 times a day. You can do 1 set in the morning while you read the news, 1 in the afternoon, and 1 in the evening while watching TV. It's a discrete exercise no one needs to know you're doing. A personal note. Many of my patients initially feel that this problem is a sign of irreversible decline. The simple, empowering act of performing Kegels is a way of reclaiming agency over your body. It's a small but profound step that tells you, I am still in control. I can make a positive change. With consistency, you are not just strengthening a muscle, you are rebuilding confidence. 2. Gentle walking, boosting your circulation. Now let's talk about a simple, pleasurable activity that has profound effects on nighttime urination. A gentle walk. As we get older, our circulatory system can become less efficient. This can lead to fluid pooling in our lower legs and ankles during the day, a condition known as peripheral edema. When you lie down at night, gravity is no longer holding that fluid down. It gets reabsorbed into your bloodstream, processed by your kidneys, and sent to your bladder, waking you up. A gentle daily walk is a powerful antidote to this process. Why it works scientifically. When you walk, the calf muscles in your legs contract and relax, acting like a second heart. This muscular pump action efficiently pushes blood and lymphatic fluid from your lower extremities back up toward your core. By improving circulation during the day, you prevent that excess fluid from accumulating in your legs in the first place. Less fluid pooling during the day means less fluid being processed by your kidneys at night, resulting in a less full bladder and fewer trips to the bathroom. How to make it effective. Timing is everything. The most effective time to walk for this purpose is in the late afternoon or early evening, at least 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. This helps your body process and excrete any accumulated fluid well before you go to sleep. Keep it gentle. We're not talking about power walking or jogging. A 20 to 30-minute walk at a comfortable, steady pace is perfect. You should be able to hold a conversation easily. Proper form. Wear supportive shoes. Walk with your head up, shoulders back, and let your arms swing naturally. Focus on the heel-to-toe motion of your feet. This daily habit fits beautifully into a North American lifestyle. It could be a walk around your neighborhood after dinner, a stroll through a local park, or even walking on a treadmill at home. It's not just an exercise. It's a ritual that benefits your cardiovascular health, lifts your mood, and prepares your body for a night of uninterrupted rest. 3. Deep breathing. Diaphragmatic breathing. Calming your nervous system. Often, the urge to urinate at night isn't just a physical issue. It's a neurological one. Stress, anxiety, and a wired nervous system can lead to an overactive bladder. When your mind is racing, your body stays in a state of high alert, the sympathetic nervous system, which can trigger bladder contractions. The most powerful tool you have to instantly shift your nervous system into a calm, relaxed state, the parasympathetic nervous system, is your own breath. I am specifically talking about deep, diaphragmatic breathing. Why it works scientifically. Deep, slow breathing directly stimulates the vagus nerve, which is the main highway of your parasympathetic nervous system. Activating this system lowers your heart rate, reduces the stress hormone cortisol, and promotes relaxation in the smooth muscles throughout your body, including the detrusor muscle of the bladder wall. A relaxed bladder is less likely to send urgent, "I have to go now," signals to your brain, allowing you to sleep more soundly. A simple bedtime ritual. Positioning. Lie comfortably in your bed on your back. Place one hand on your upper chest and the other on your belly, just below your rib cage. The inhale. Breathe in slowly through your nose for a count of 4. As you inhale, focus on allowing your belly to rise, pushing your hand up. The hand on your chest should remain relatively still. This ensures you are using your diaphragm effectively. The exhale. Exhale slowly and completely through your mouth for a count of 6. Feel your belly fall as you gently expel the air. Duration. Continue this cycle for 5 to 10 minutes just before you intend to fall asleep. This practice is like a lullaby for your nervous system. It quiets the mental chatter, eases physical tension, and creates the ideal internal environment for deep, restorative sleep. For seniors who may carry the worries of the day, concerns about health, finances, or family, this is a profoundly effective way to let go and signal to your body that it is safe to rest deeply. 4. Ankle pumps and leg stretches, preventing night cramps. Have you ever been jolted awake by a sudden, painful cramp in your calf or foot? For many seniors, these nocturnal leg cramps are another major disruptor of sleep. The intense discomfort often leads to getting out of bed, walking around, and, in the process, noticing the sensation of a full bladder leading to yet another bathroom trip. Gentle stretching before bed can significantly reduce the frequency and intensity of these cramps. Why it works scientifically. Leg cramps are often caused by muscle fatigue, dehydration, or poor circulation. Stretching helps to lengthen the muscle fibers, improve blood flow to the lower legs, and release built-up tension. Ankle pumps, in particular, activate the same calf muscle pump we discussed with walking, helping to move stagnant fluid out of the lower legs before you lie down. 2 simple bedtime stretches. The calf stretch. Sit on the edge of your bed with one leg extended straight out in front of you, heel on the floor. Gently loop a towel or a yoga strap around the ball of your foot. Holding the ends of the towel, gently pull your toes back towards your knee until you feel a comfortable stretch in your calf. Hold for 30 seconds. Repeat 2 to 3 times on each leg. Ankle pumps. While lying in bed, extend your legs. Simply point your toes away from you as far as you comfortably can, then flex them back towards you. Repeat this pumping motion 15 to 20 times. This is an excellent way to get circulation moving right before you drift off. Performing these simple movements as part of your nightly routine can prevent those painful awakenings, contributing to a more continuous and restful night's sleep. 5. Hip rotations, enhancing pelvic flexibility. Finally, let's address the issue of stiffness. As we age, our hips can become tight and lose their range of motion. This isn't just a matter of mobility. Tight hip flexors and surrounding muscles can put subtle, continuous pressure on the entire pelvic region, including the bladder. Gentle hip rotations can help release this tension and improve circulation to this vital area. Why it works scientifically. The hips are a complex junction of muscles, ligaments, and nerves that are all interconnected with the pelvic floor. When the larger muscles surrounding the hips are tight, they can restrict blood flow and create neuromuscular tension that can contribute to an overactive bladder. By gently moving the hips through their full range of motion, you are increasing flexibility, improving circulation, and releasing this underlying tension, which can have a calming effect on the bladder. A safe and easy movement. The exercise. Stand behind a sturdy chair, holding on for balance, keeping your torso upright. Lift one knee slightly and imagine you are drawing a large, slow circle in the air with it. Perform 5 to 10 circles in one direction, then switch directions. Repeat with the other leg. The focus. The movement should be slow, controlled, and fluid. The goal is to feel a gentle opening in the hip joint, not to force anything. This exercise is like lubricating your hip joints. It's a joyful, graceful movement that can be done while listening to music or waiting for your tea to brew. It helps maintain the agility you need for daily life and contributes to a more relaxed and balanced pelvic region, which is key for peaceful nights. Your path to restful nights. E. We've explored 5 simple, yet powerful, exercises. From the foundational strength of Kegels to the circulatory boost of walking, the calming power of deep breathing, the cramp prevention of stretching, and the flexibility of hip rotations. Each one is a gift you can give your body. A final, practical tip: manage your evening fluid intake. Try to drink the majority of your water during the day and significantly taper off after 7 p.m. And consider a small banana as an evening snack. Its potassium content can help prevent muscle cramps. You might wonder if these small, consistent efforts truly matter. The answer, supported by science and the experience of countless patients, is a resounding yes. Regular practice can lead to noticeable improvements within just a few weeks. You deserve to wake up feeling rested, restored, and ready to embrace the day. Start with 1 or 2 of these exercises that resonate most with you, and gradually build them into a daily wellness ritual. Your health is precious, and every small step you take is an investment in a more vibrant, happy, and well-rested life. If this video has provided you with value and hope, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends or family who might benefit, and I would truly love to hear from you. Please leave a comment below, tell me about your own experiences, or ask any questions you might have. Your engagement builds this wonderful community. Thank you for being here. Sleep well.